Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to set up Instagram shop with Shopify. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now in today's video, we will be focusing on how you will be able to create an Instagram shop, or rather a Shopify shop, but with Instagram attached to it. Basically, it will be a collaboration between your all-time favorite Instagram and Shopify, your all-time favorite e-commerce platform. Now, Shopify in itself does not contain any connection between or with Instagram and Shopify. So a connection like that does not default or does not automatically exist. So what we're going to need to do to be able to establish a connection between Instagram and Shopify is through apps. Now you all know in Shopify there is a feature apps wherein you will be able to install and add different apps that would make your life easier depending on the type of shop you are trying to establish with Shopify. So first things first, to be able to start, make sure your account in Shopify is all set up. In Instagram, of course, that should be a default as well. But we will be focusing on Shopify most of the video. So over here, look over here on the left side, you have the apps option over here. Simply click on add apps to be able to see this pop up over here. Now these are the featured apps that are typically for you or apps that are suggested for you. Now as you can notice already here in our section, you have Insta feed over here or Instagram. The Instagram feed isn't a direct, or you won't be able to create a shop in Instagram, but it is a feature that would improve your shop in Shopify by allowing you to be able to import and show your Instagram feeds in Shopify. That will promote both your Shopify products and your Instagram page as well. But if you want to view more apps related to Instagram, simply scroll down to the bottommost part and you will be able to see here, find more apps in Shopify App Store. So simply select this. By doing that, we will be redirected to another page where it is focused on all apps by showing us all the apps available for us depending on our search. As you can see here, these are all apps that are built to make your life in Shopify even better. So first things first, simply click on the search bar and search Instagram. By searching Instagram, you will be able to filter out all the different apps that are specifically for Instagram. So you can see here, InstaFeed is part of this apps that we are seeing right now. There's also this app called Facebook and Instagram, wherein you will be able to install or get a shop for Facebook and Instagram. You will be able to sell on Facebook and Instagram and manage your business from Shopify. So you could manage all and use all the different features in Shopify that you are seeing right now on our screen, such as the orders, the products, the customers, the analytics, all of those stuff you will be able to manage. But the store will be mainly on Facebook and Instagram. You could use that app if you want. You're simply going to connect your Facebook app or your Facebook account with Shopify. Now there's also other features over here, like I explained earlier, the Insta feed, which would allow you to display your Instagram post inside of Shopify, which will both promote your products and promote your store as well, or your Instagram over here. There's also other apps over here like InstaFeed plus Story, Instagram Feed Pro, and a lot of other apps over here. You have Vibe, Shoppable, Instagram Feed. You could make a shoppable Instagram feed wherein they will be able to see an Instagram feed on your store, on your Shopify store, and they will be able to buy from that. Like you could select a specific photo and you will be redirected to a product page. So over here, like you could see, show posts and reels from your Instagram account in grid. Make sure that your Instagram feed is shoppable by tagging tags, all of those stuff. Now the type of app that you want depends on you, but what I would suggest is that you would look for apps that has a lot of reviews. Like this one, you have 4.9. That's a good review because 1,000 or over 1,000 people reviewed it already. You could also check out some other apps, like for example this one, Instagram Shop and Facebook Shop over here, where it has 4.9 as well, but there is significantly less reviews over here or less users who reviewed it before. But it's up to you guys. You could test it out if you want. There's also the highest one over here, which is the Facebook and Instagram over here, where it has 3.6 and there's over 4,000 reviewers already. So after installing this, after opening this specific app, you could install it by clicking on this button over here, which would typically or in default be an install button. And after that, you could install the app into your Shopify. So if you open the app, this is what you're going to see. We will be redirected to our home page again, back in our Shopify over here. Let's wait for a few seconds to display our section. And over here, there we go. This is where we will be able to create or connect our Facebook and Instagram over here. So if you click on Get Started, it's going to ask you to connect your Facebook account first. Now, Facebook and Instagram are typically connected. So whatever your Facebook account, it is something that will automatically be connected to your Instagram as well. You could instantly have an Instagram account with your Facebook account. Now, if you don't have a Facebook account but have an Instagram, I suggest that you create an Instagram or you create a Facebook account first so that you can connect it over here and then create your Instagram store or Instagram account behind that Facebook account. But after connecting it here, you will be able to connect your business account, and then terms and conditions, then you can submit it for review. Now, assuming you were able to connect it already, going here, if you click on products, to prove to you that the connection is established, wherein you will be able to control and add products from Shopify to Instagram and Facebook, you can click on add products over here. And if you can see here on the right side, you have publishing. You will be able to see Facebook and Instagram is part of the list, meaning this product that you are going to add right now will be added to your Facebook and Instagram, of course, once you establish a connection. And you will be able to control your inventory, your purchase orders, transfers, gift cards, content, analytics, and many, many more in the side of Shopify. And you will be able to control all of those Facebook store and Instagram store through Shopify over here. Although you could still manage them on the respective platforms like inside of Instagram or inside of Facebook as well. You are not limited to that. You can easily utilize and make use of Shopify's amazing and beginner-friendly features that are typically very hard to get lost to. So that's basically it, guys. That is how you will be able to create an Instagram shop with Shopify. Now, a bonus of that is Facebook, of course, because Facebook and Instagram is connected, but that is how you will be able to do it. So if you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.